So now we try to run our ingress. So kubectl dash apply dash f ingress. It's telling me so I have tried to fix the issue, but I was not able to fix that issue. I have read this documentation and they told me that I have to run this command. I have already did it. So what I will give you the steps to to achieve this app.1.example.com and then app2.example.com. So to do that, if you are on Windows, then you have to open Notepad, then click on open. But first, you have to open Notepad as as an administrator. Notepad, and then go to File, Open, and then go to README file, my README file, and then you will find the path that you should modify it, and choose the block notes. And here you have to give this IP address, this domain name or subdomain name, right? And then save it. Then once the ingress will work, once you will come here and type this URL, and if the ingress works, then this URL will take you to this service, right? Nginx server, or this subdirectory that will take you to this service that is here, right? So what I'm going to do now is update it, the port 80, and then this node port, then modify the same thing, but first thing I have kubectl delete /f ingress, delete it. I will cover don't forget, I will cover ingress in upcoming videos. So service /nginx, and then the same thing for web app, right? We can run this, sorry, this web, this deep, this web app on node port as well, node port as well, and then target port, and then node port, 107 700, right? And then I will commit changes. I will add, if I forget, if I add new files, commit, and then push the changes, and then I will scroll down up here to run cluster, and they will run my, this time I will run my cluster, right? My web deployment, and it will work. So I will clear that here, and in the meantime, let me come to my Elasticsearch and configure it. To configure it, we have to go to Elasticsearch. Sorry, I have to be the root, and then git in etc elastic. We'll open that, then that Elasticsearch ls, and then nano Elasticsearch elasticsearch.yaml. We'll scroll down here, and then we have to change the node name, and scroll down here as well. And for the network host, I have to come back here, and this is its IP address, that is 100.2.4.2.4, right? Scroll down here, and discovery, you will choose the same IP address as 105.2.4, and then you use only one host cluster. We scroll down here, and they use only scroll down here, and then we have to save that file, and then type service Elasticsearch restart. So in the meantime, I'm going to launch another instance or another Azure VM as our Kibana server. So let me create that virtual machine here. And it's Kibana server. Then what I need is a key pair, or use my existing key pair.